is Mother Day, what are you going to do for your mother?
We are going to do lemonade
Lemonade?
for my mom. Before we start, we have two glasses and one cup.
What's the ingredient for making your lemonade?
Sugar,
Anything else? Lemon, yeah.
lemonade, a lemon. And this is the
Filter. Okay. And what's that?
hot
Hot
water.
hot water or finger.
Okay.
Yep. Look at your finger. Okay. It smells good.
Yes. Why so hard to get the water off?
And spin, can you squeeze and spin? Okay.
Now one back. This one?
Do it.
Get in my nose.
First, you have to push it in the middle.
Like this.
Yes, harder. And squeeze it. After that,
Squeeze
spin.
like this.
Okay, spin.
Spin.
Making a hole in the center.
Oh, I know it.
Okay. Let me check. Thing.
Is this enough?
That you put the lemon juice in it. You split into 2 glasses equally, right? Only 1 glass?
Because we're not gray enough.
Oh.
One glass.
I think it can because the lemon very sour. Real.
Okay.
Is it
Okay.
now?
And split up
Equal.
this and this. Great.
What next?
I need to make sugar. I just went 1 spoon of sugar.
Only 1?
Maybe 2.
Salt?
Salt. Yummy.
Yummy?
We get the lemon juice and now we need to put the secret ingredients in the juice. But before we put the secret ingredients in the juice, we need to put this ice on to the juice. Oh!
Put all the ice in. It's not enough. Put a spoon out
Let's go to the kitchen.
to bring
Yes.
out your secret ingredient.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Water?
No
What is it made of?
flour.
Flour? What kind of flour?
Butterfly.
Butterfly?
Sugar.
Not pea shooter. Butterfly pea
Butterfly pea.
or bull pea.
Right. The butterfly pea right here first, and I'm going to.
Wake up your mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's finished.
It's Mother Day.
It's
Wow.
ready.
What are you doing?
I do the lemon juice for you.
Wow, how is taste?
Very good.
Very good. Can
But-
you taste it?
Before you taste it, I have this butterfly pea. It's a kind of flower.
What? Can you try it? Like this?
No. Put on the glass. Put on the juice.
Slowly, slowly.
It's going to be
Wow.
The
What
color
happened?
change
the color change.
from blue water to purple water.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice. It's changed.
Very beautiful.
Let me taste one. My mom is too beautiful.
I am beautiful. Yes.
Hmm.
And now
Try it.
try it together.
Cheers. How was it? How was it?
Great.
Really?
I never tasted flour. I never tasted butterfly pea before.
Nice. Will you try it?
นี่ผักจริงอ่ะ
เดี๋ยวฟังชิมเสร็จเพิ่มมะนาวไหม
จริงๆน้ำแข็งนะ
โหมันเค็ม แต่ว่าเดี๋ยวมาเนี่ยเราออกเค็มๆไปทุก